Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel, Z Chemistry. Today's topic is from lesson Human Eye and Colorful World of class 10th. Subject Science. And the topic is power of accommodation or accommodation. Let us start with our topic. What this power of accommodation or accommodation means? Actually, it is the ability of the eye to focus the distant as well as nearby objects on retina by change in the size of focal length is called as power of accommodation or accommodation of the eye or accommodation of eye lens. In case of working of eye sees both distant as well as near objects by change in the size of ciliary muscles, which thereby change the focal length, and due to this change, by change in ciliary muscles and by change in focal length, there is change in the thickness of eye lens, which increases or decreases the converging power of the eye lens, due to which an eye can see the nearby objects, it can see the distant objects, or it cannot see the nearby objects very clearly. In case of distant objects, these ciliary muscles they get relaxed, and eye lens become thin. Due to this, focal length becomes maximum, and converging power of eye lens becomes less. Hence, converging power of eye lens become less. Or we can state that when objects are at distant point, the focal length of the eye lens it increases. Focal length of the eye lens it increases, due to which there is the converging power of eye lens is minimum. Or we can state that when the eye is looking at a distant object, the eye is said to be unaccommodated because it is the relaxed state of eye. Here the two rays which come from the object which is at infinity or which is at distant point, these parallel rays when they strike the eye lens, they both are focused on this retina where the image of the object is formed. And what we observe there is the large focal length, due to which what happens there, that converging power is minimum in that particular position. And when the case is of nearby objects, this ciliary muscles they contract, or we can state that they get stretched, due to which eye lens becomes thick, and focal length it becomes maximum, or we can state that the converging power of eye lens that become more or that become maximum, and the object is seen very much clearly. Here is the object which is at the nearby distance. From it, two diverging rays that strike the lens, and the image is formed on the retina. The nearby object it must be at a distance of 25 centimeters, or we can state that an eye can normally see up to a distance of 25 centimeters. And this ability of eye, due to which it can focus the distant and nearby objects on the retina by change in focal length is called as power of accommodation. And the object which has a distance of less than 25 centimeters, it is not usually seen clearly by the eye. The object which is at 25 centimeter, or which is at a very distant place or at infinity, that can be seen by the eye clearly. Usually the power of accommodation of normal human eye is about 4 diopter. This was all the information about power of accommodation. Have a nice day.